Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back to the deep dive. You know, for ages, really powerful AI lived way out there. In the cloud, powerful, yes, but that came in with trade-offs, right?
Yeah.
Concerns about your privacy, speed delays, costs. But today, we're looking at something potentially game-changing. We're diving into Alibaba's Qwen3 large language model, specifically how it's now optimized for Apple devices. So what is Qwen3? Why is putting it on your iPhone or Mac such a big deal? And what does this mean for, well, AI in your pocket?
Okay, so Qwen3, it's Alibaba's latest open source language model. Think of it as a major upgrade from their previous one, Qwen 2.5.
An upgrade how? Just bigger.
Well, yeah, trained on roughly double the data, for starters, but it's smarter, too. The reports say significant advancement on reasoning, instruction following, tool use, and multilingual tasks.
So it understands you better, follows complex instructions.
Exactly. And it's not just English. It supports, get this, 119 languages. That's huge global reach compared to before.
Wow. And what's making it tick? What's the tech behind that leap?
It uses some clever stuff. One is this hybrid reasoning idea. It can sort of shift gears, go slow, and think hard for tough problems like, say, coding or complex math.
But faster for simple stuff.
Right. And for simple queries, it speeds up. Then there's something called mixture of experts, or MOE.
MOE. Sounds efficient.
It is. Extremely. Instead of running the whole massive model for every little thing, it only activates specific specialized parts as needed. Think of it like calling in only the expert you need, not the whole team.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So that helps it run on, say, a phone without melting it.
Precisely. It cuts down the processing load massively, and the results show, better logic, better coding, more natural-sounding responses than its predecessor.
Okay, so Qwen3 is powerful and efficient. Now the Apple part. How does this model end up running on my iPhone?
This is the really exciting bit for users, I think. Alibaba specifically optimized Qwen3 for Apple's own tech, specifically the MLX framework and the neural engine.
MLX, that's Apple's machine learning platform for their chips, right?
Exactly, built for their silicon. So Qwen3 can run natively directly on the hardware in iPhones, iPads, Macs. It's not just calling out to the cloud.
And they made different versions.
Yep, MLX, compatible versions, different sizes, different quantization levels.
Quantization, break that down.
Think of it like compressing a photo. You make the file smaller, maybe lose a tiny bit of detail, but it's much faster to load and takes less space. Quantization does something similar for AI models, reduces the precision slightly to make them lighter and faster.
So it can run smoothly, even on less powerful devices.
That's the goal. Balance performance with the device's limits. That's how you get it running across the range, from Macs down to iPhones.
Got it. So what are the real benefits for you, the person holding the phone?
Okay, 3 big ones. First, privacy. Your data stays on your device. It doesn't have to go to the cloud. That's huge.
Definitely a big plus these days. What else?
Second, speed. Processing happens right there on the neural engine. No network lag waiting for servers. It's instant. Efficiency. Less cloud reliance means lower costs for developers, potentially, but also it's just more efficient on your device. They claim Qwen3's design can cut the compute load by up to 90%.
90%, wow. Any real-world speed examples?
Yeah, early demos showed it generating text around 60 tokens per second on an iPhone 15 Pro.
60 tokens.
Yeah.
Roughly 60 words or parts of words a second. That's fast.
It's very fast. Feels real time. So imagine advanced stuff translation, image recognition happening instantly, even if you're offline. AI becomes truly portable.
So, stepping back, what does this Alibaba-Apple link-up mean for the bigger players? For Alibaba itself?
For Alibaba, it's massive. Instant access to Apple's huge user base. It gives their model incredible reach and credibility. Someone on X called it a strategic masterstroke for on-device AI.
Makes sense. And for Apple?
It lets them bring advanced AI, especially in places like China, using a local partners model, entirely on-device. That fits perfectly with their privacy stance. Plus, it really shows off their custom chips, right? Proves the neural engine can handle serious AI tasks.
So this isn't just a one-off. Does this signal a bigger shift in AI?
I think it absolutely does. It's a milestone. If an iPhone can run a model like this, it proves powerful AI doesn't need the cloud exclusively.
So more AI moving to the edge.
to
our devices.
Exactly. Expect to see more optimization for phones, PCs, other gadgets. It's a move towards a hybrid future cloud and device. AI is coming directly to you.
How's the tech world reacting? Are people excited?
Generally, yeah. Lots of excitement. Developers started sharing demos almost immediately, showing Qwen3 running on iPhones. It's proof of concept in action.
Any notable reactions?
We saw that user on X at Helmi Azizmer praising the efficiency, running a big version of Qwen3 using only about 40 watts on Apple hardware. That kind of feedback highlights the practical side.
So what's next? When might users actually see this?
Well, the expectation is Apple might roll out Qwen3 powered features for users in China fairly soon, maybe an iOS update like 18.6.
And beyond that?
A successful launch could definitely spur more collaborations like this globally. And we'll see chips keep getting better to handle these models, and more models tuned for specific hardware. The trend is clear. AI is getting closer.
Right into your pocket, essentially.
Pretty much. It really makes you wonder, what becomes possible when that level of AI is just always there.
So wrapping up our deep dive today, Alibaba's Qwen3 on Apple devices isn't just an update. It really signals a shift towards powerful AI becoming truly personal, private, and efficient, right there for you. And that leaves us with something to think about. How might this move from relying on the cloud to having AI run directly on your device fundamentally change how you use technology every day? What new doors does it open for managing your privacy, accessing information, and maybe even empowering you in ways we haven't yet imagined? Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep questioning the tech shaping our world. We'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.
Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.